There is this new trust wallet scam that has been going on, and people are losing thousands of dollars to this particular scam. And from what I've seen so far, people behind this scam have scammed over people's hard-earned $10,000. Now you'll be thinking that you are smart enough to overcome this scam, but trust me, you'll be tempted to fall for it, especially when you are offered a reward. So on this video, I'm going to break down and show you how this scam works so that you don't be a victim. And also, I'm going to show you how you can secure your funds on Trust Wallet. So before I proceed, please make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. And as well, follow me on Twitter at SimplyDMO. So with that being said, let's move. Now, the way this scam works is simple, but people still fall for it. And the reason why people fall for it is because of the strategy they use, and I almost fell for it. So first of all, let me explain it from my own experience. Someone wrote me on Twitter around July 3rd. This is like months ago. And this is the message I got from the person. He says that he don't know how to use Trust Wallet and he has 685 USDT on it. And according to him or her, he said he's a newbie, and if I'm able to teach him how to use Trust Wallet and remove the money, he's going to credit me 200 USDT, and he gave me the details and access to the account. And as you can see, he also sent screenshots, but this message looks suspicious, so I just decided to write and this is that same day around July 3rd. But one thing is that greedy people will fall for this scam because they will just try to remove the money, and that is where the problem is. So because of my activity, I decided not to answer the person that very day. But after some days, I got a similar message from another account, and this person came with the same format, but the price of the USDT now increased to 980 USDT. And if you take a look, you discover that the key phrase is different from the previous one. So I just decided to write and the moment I saw this message for the second time, I know that something is off somewhere. So I just decided to forget about it. And after some days, I keep getting similar messages from different accounts, and you can see that the last similar message is 2 days ago. So I decided to take a deep dive into this account on what is really happening to these people and their accounts. And I discovered that this is a big scam and people are already falling for it. So I decided to make this video to show you how they operate. Now, the way it works is that when you decide to help these guys and you impute their wallet key phrase on your own Trust Wallet, you will see the money they are talking about in USDT. But one thing is that since this is a decentralized wallet, for it to send that TRC20 network USDT, you will need to pay gas fee, and those gas fee are in TRX. So you'll be tempted because it is 1,400 USDT. So you want to deposit little amount of TRX to withdraw this 1,400 USDT to his own wallet that the scammer will give you. That is when you fall for this scam, because this wallet you are seeing here is already a condemned wallet, and this wallet is already configured in a way that you cannot withdraw the money. And the moment you try to send in TRS that is worth $1, at that moment the $1 you deposited is already out from your account. That is why by the time I click on TRX, you'll be able to see all the transactions, and you can see that the latest transaction is today. And as I'm making this video, people are still falling for this scam, and you can see that someone just fell for this scam. The person tried to deposit 9 TRX to this account. The moment the person deposits the 9 TRX, you can see the 9 TRX leaving the account to this particular address. And by checking this account, you can see that only this wallet address has over $800 in TRX. When I check this other account, you can see that someone deposited 20 TRX to withdraw this 1,400 USDT. But the moment he deposits this 20 TRX, the 20 TRX left his account to this other wallet address. And when I check this wallet address, you're able to find out that this wallet address has over $500 on it. And this is how this scam works. But this is not only the wallet address they have multiple wallets which they spam to people. And I think you need to share this video to your friends and your own community for them to be safe. And by doing that, you can save someone's hard-earned money. And similar scam have been going on with this Minerium token, and even to your main wallet, this Minerium token is still there. That is why you need to watch that video at the top right corner on how you can secure your Trust Wallet using a software. So the best way to avoid all this scam is to always avoid suspicious messages like this. And if you encounter similar message that is not clear to you, you can ask questions, and you can join my Telegram community for that. And also you get quick updates and engage with new members. And another action to take, once you get similar messages, you just have to delete it out from your contact, you understand? And make sure that your account is protected from spam. So if you really enjoy the content and you like it, make sure you show it by dropping a like on this video. And you can also use the link below to get this blog information on how you can secure your Trust Wallet. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content like this. And as you already know, I'm DMO, so thank you for watching and see you on my next video.